All right, so you asked me about number 17 on the quiz. So you said, I know that I should have done the square root of 22, but I don't fully understand why. Anyway, so I wanted to just talk to you about this because I'm not going to be here tomorrow, but I will be here on Friday. Anyway, so if you want to talk about it more, we can. So let me pull up the question again. You can see I wrote it down here. Sorry, let me scroll down on my computer on the actual problem. All right, so you see it says predictor and then constant, right? So that is the y-intercept, as you can see. So the number there, if you have the quiz up still, there's the number there that was the constant. And then instead of saying items, it told you about the modification that they took the square root of items. So this is basically representing our y values, and this is representing our x values. And so if you reread the question, it says when they first graphed it, it was not linear, it was curved. So they decided that they wanted to try to transform it into a linear model, and they realized they needed to do that by taking the square root. So remember, the y-intercept is the constant, and the x is the coefficient on, sorry, the coefficient on the actual input. So because items is the input, that's how I know in the equation, so it's still linear, right? So y equals, and here's our y-intercept, right? Here's our slope, and here's our input, but our input has been modified. So we have to modify that, right? And so you just, whatever condition it explains was happening to make it linear, that's what you have to address in the model. And so then I plugged 22 and I did the square root of 22, multiplied it, added 3.0979, and I got 16.06. But like I said, if that doesn't help, I will not be here tomorrow, but I will be here Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday next week. So let's talk about it. Make sure you feel good. But if this helped, then great.